Guys, I messed up. I was doing a live for a sponsor of mine, Kiavi. I was talking about how beginners can get loans with them. Someone came in, commented, and said he called Kiavi and they told him that he needed a property before he can get a loan with them. I was confused because before I did the sponsorship, I made sure to ask my loan agent at that point if they offered loans for beginners, and he said they did. The last thing I wanted to do to all of you was lie to you because you're all really important to me. I honestly do my best with every single video to try to make the information as accurate as possible. So I called the loan agent and asked him if they offer loans for beginners, and he said they did. So I was like, well, what's your definition of a beginner? He said someone who's never done a flip before but owns their own house. And that's where we had a problem. To me, a beginner doesn't need to own a house. But for their loans, you do need to own a house in order to qualify. It wasn't their fault. It was my fault for not clarifying ahead of time. So I gotta apologize because I've been saying you can get a loan with Kiavi as a beginner, but if you don't own the house that you live in, then you're better off getting a private lender, FHA, or conventional lender to buy your first property. Then use Kiavi for any loan after that because they truly are great. They close quick, they give you rehab loans with little money down, and you don't need income verification. I'm even working with them right now to get a refinance done. And best of all, they're hooking everyone up here with a free Burr ebook, which you can find in my profile. I just wanted to be 100% transparent because I hate lying, and I wanted to make sure you guys have the right information so you can get started.